Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and very warm welcome to my YouTube and Facebook channel TAC, the Academic Concepts. Today I am presenting the second video of our series of lessons regarding how to improve communication skills. Your response on the first video is really overwhelming, which is a source of great encouragement for me. Dear viewers, as you know, communication is an extremely important aspect of our social life and it is a very vast subject, so it needs patience to have a grip over this skill. That is why I am delivering these lectures in parts so that you can absorb it thoroughly. If you are new on this channel, I'll request to see the first video prior to this, which is regarding the importance of developing communication skills. The link has been given in the description. So now coming over to today's content, which is regarding the levels of communication, that is how we communicate with different receivers using different channels. There are 5 main levels of communication: intrapersonal communication, interpersonal communication, person-to-group communication, mediated communication, and mass communication. In this lecture, we'll just have introductory touch upon each level of communication. Details will be covered in subsequent videos. First of all, intrapersonal communication. The word intrapersonal means within a person. Intrapersonal communication is the process in which an individual communicates within him or herself, acting as both sender and receiver of the messages, and encompasses the use of unspoken words to consciously engage in self-talk and inner speech. Intrapersonal communication is the way we communicate or talk within ourselves. Interpersonal communication. It is the communication between two or more persons through verbal or non-verbal messages. It often includes face-to-face exchange of information in a form of voice, facial expression, body language, and gestures. When it comes to basic elements of interpersonal communication, the various types of possible communication can be categorized as verbal, non-verbal, listening, and written communication. Then person-to-group communication. Group communication is the act of sending and receiving messages to multiple members of a group. In a business and corporate environment, this communication is very important because it facilitates to make decisions, manage conflicts, and build the rapport that is necessary to keep the group going in difficult circumstances. The exchange of messages characterize the group to accomplish goals and motivate other members. Then is the mediated communication. Mediated communication or mediated interaction refers to the communication carried out by the use of technology and can be contrasted to face-to-face communication. Popular forms include live streaming through video or audio link, text chat, bulletin board systems, and emails. These medias are transforming rapidly with the development of new technologies. Mass communication. It is a process of creating, sending, receiving, and analyzing messages to large audiences via verbal and written media. It is a complex field that considers not only how and why a message is created, but also the medium through which it is sent. Print, broadcast, transit, and digital media are 4 major mass communication types. These help us receive the information and remain aware of all that is going on around the world. Through mass communication, information can be transmitted quickly to many people around the world. Nowadays, social media has further revolutionized this category of communication. With this, we come towards the end of today's video. I hope you have well understood the lecture. Please stay connected as lot more is coming regarding communication skills. Please subscribe the channel and press bell icon so that you receive our notifications regularly. If you find this lecture helpful, must like it and share it with your friends. Also give feedback in comments box. Thanks a lot. Take care and stay connected.